Krishna. In this video, we will learn how to consume a put API, or maybe you can call like how to call a put API. Okay. In this video, we are using like a Spring Boot 3.2, and we will use a latest version of like how to. We will use the latest one, which is REST client. Okay. After Spring Boot 3.2, we are using the REST client. Okay. So this is like using chain programming. Okay. We are using like as a functional way. We are use this. We are use like REST client. Okay. So let's go to the code. I already have a like server. Okay, this server is already running in my local. If you not go through my this series, so go and check my first video, so you will understand like how I provide the link of this video, and this is a server. Okay, so you can run locally, so you can hit this API. Okay, now let's go with the coding. Okay, so see, this is a URL of this is a put request, and this is a request. In the response you will get 200. Okay, let's do the coding first. First of all, what we can do first, we create a request. Okay, first name, last name. Okay, so like that, just create a new Java class. It should be a record, or it's up to you, like student model, we can create it. Okay, this one is your student model. Now first one is string, which is first name, and second one is last name. Okay, and third one is city, and the last, which is roll number. Okay, like that. So this is our like a model class. We created it, and I'm not creating a separate service or an implementation. I directly call the API here. Okay, and if you like in the standard project, you need to create a separately. Just according to like in this video, I just explain you like how can you call the put API. Okay, that's my concentration on this only. So create a REST client, private final REST client. Just inject the REST client. Okay, and ID will give the suggestion of the constructor. Just change to REST client to builder. Okay, so we are creating the builder. Okay, REST builder. Okay, because provide the builder pattern. In the builder pattern, what we are doing here, builder dot build. Okay, you just do it like builder dot build. And one more thing also, like this is a base URL. Like if you have like many APIs, you need to call like many times. Okay, so you don't need to add the base URL again and again. So this the standard approach I follow. For you also, you can follow. Just keep it like that. This is the base URL, so you don't need to like write it again and again. Now just create a one method void for, because from this method we are called this API. In this method I just put the post constructor, because after the running the project, then this API will be called, so I'm using the post constructor. Okay, let's go with the REST client. So REST client dot, see, the all methods are there: post, get, delete, and head and put. Like directly they provide the method. Okay, the put method. So we can use the put method, then enter. This is the the chaining things, and the URI should be that one. Okay, this is the URI. I already provide the like this link of this GitHub. You can go and watch my first introduction video, then you will find out the link. Okay, now update student dot, this method is take the body. Okay, so we need to provide the body. Now new student model. Okay, so we are using the record. This is the first name. We can put F name. Okay, and the last name we can take like L name. Okay, and the city is ACT. Okay, and the roll number is 101. Okay, the body dot retrieve. Okay, retrieve, and after that we can use like we have options like the two entity and two bodiless entity. If you want to like use the two entity, it means what it will be written. Right now it's written a string. Okay, like it will return a 200 as a string, so I don't need that. If you want to need that, then you can use two string, and you can pass like that, a string dot class. Okay, it will be work like that, is this way. And another way you can do it, I don't want that one, that thing. So instead of this we can use dot to bodiless entity. Okay, so bodiless entity, so it will not as a return just give the code it's working fine or not, because we need a code. So I just keep inside the response, okay, this thing. Okay, and before that I will run the the get API. This is the get API, like which data is already there. See, send the get API. See, the roll number is 101. Now we are updating this roll number. Okay, make sure this is a get API. Okay, now we can see, now we hit the API. Now for the hit the API, now let's run the code and see the output. Yes, the code is running fine. Let's go and check the get API. See, hit the get API. Oh, see, the first name, last name and city is updated. Okay, based on the roll number. So this is a way you can use your put API. Okay, and thank you so much, and please subscribe my channel and like this video.